Hey everyone, Jingle Jeff here. Are you ready to learn some French?
Oh, yes please, Jingle Jeff.
Brilliant! Before we begin, I wanted to let you know that I've created a brand new French video that I'm giving to you today for free. It will turn you into a language expert and help you remember every single word that you learn. I'll give you more details at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, let's move on with today's lesson.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 100, 1000, 10.000, 100.000, 1.000.000, 1.000.000, 1.000.000, 10.000.000, 100.000.000, 1.000.000, 1.000.000. If you like to watch you see, press the button down below. If you subscribe to Jingle Jeff, I'll make lots more videos. Subscribe, la la la. Subscribe, la la la. Subscribe, la la la. Subscribe, la la la. La la la, la la la. La 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 la. La la la, la la la. La 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 la. La la la, la la la. La 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 la. La la la, la la la. La 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 la.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I've created a brand new language video that I'm giving to you today for free. It will turn you into a language genius and teach you how to remember every single word that you learn. Just click the first link in the description below, which is going to take you to a website which will ask for your email. Once you've done that, you'll get instant access to this amazing new language video, which will turn you into a language genius with a memory like a computer. So just hit the link below. Now if you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up for me. Comment below, let me know what else you'd like to see, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Jingle Jeff, and I'll keep the videos coming. See you later.